Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit the backend of WordPress. First, you will need to log into your WordPress administration area. Typically, you can do this by adding /wp-admin to your website's URL. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard, which is your central control panel. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The left-hand menu is your primary navigation tool, offering access to all key features and settings. Next, let's dive into managing your website's content. Under the Posts menu, you can create new blog entries or modify existing ones. Similarly, the Pages section allows you to build and edit static content, such as your About Us or Contact pages. WordPress uses a powerful block editor, which lets you easily add and arrange text, images, videos, and many other content elements with great flexibility. Now, let's talk about your site's appearance. The Appearance menu is where you can change your website's theme, giving it a completely new design. The WordPress Customizer allows you to make real-time adjustments to elements like colors, fonts, and header images without touching any code. You can also manage widgets, which are small blocks of content that appear in designated areas such as your sidebars or footer. Finally, we'll cover essential settings and how to extend your site's capabilities. Under Settings, you can adjust general options like your site title and tagline, and configure permalinks for better search engine optimization. To add new features, navigate to Plugins and install tools for everything from contact forms to security. You can also manage user accounts, assigning different roles and permissions to your team members.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.